The info file type is just a generic text file containing information. Programmers use it for version notes. Open it in Notepad to read it. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. Let's read it. If you frequently deal with unusual info file types, a universal file viewer is an essential tool. We'll cover exactly the one I use and recommend later in the walkthrough. The info file extension typically denotes a plain text file containing general information. These files often accompany software downloads, archives, or other digital content, providing details about the content's purpose, usage, or creation. They are designed to be easily readable by users without requiring specialized software. Info files are typically formatted as plain text, allowing them to be opened and viewed with any text editor. They may contain simple formatting, such as headings, lists, and paragraphs, to improve readability. The content is generally unstructured, focusing on conveying essential information in a concise and accessible manner. The proper file association links info directly to the Any Text Editor solution by Microsoft Corporation. Windows provides limited insight into this file, showing only basic attributes. Windows accommodates text files naturally, requiring no extra utilities. Let's start the compatibility sequence. Right-click the info file and choose Open With. Test any text editor if available. If it's not, choose another program. Different software often has better luck with specific info variants. If your info file will not open yet, do not panic. General troubleshooting won't work on this info file due to its complexity. We need to check off these specific items before we can attempt the solution. First, use Text Editor. Open the file using any text editor, Notepad, to view the content, as it is usually a plain text configuration or information file. Next, identify the creator. Determine the associated program, e.g., game, utility, or operating system, that created the info file. Finally, check for corruption. If the file won't load, try re-downloading it or ask the sender for a fresh copy. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. To help resolve this, you might consider a tool with autonomous file reading capability that is designed to look past the extension name and inspect the internal data structure directly. Since the manual approaches didn't work for the file, the smart move is to use FileMagick, which provides the one-click solution you need. Available at filemagick.com. Tell me the status of your file in the comments. Hit the subscription button if you want faster solutions in the future.